State Bank of India has successfully priced $200 million worth of senior unsecured Reg S fixed rate notes as part of its existing bond issue due September 9, 2030. The bonds have an original maturity period of 5 years and will be issued through SBI's London branch on June 5, 2026. The ambitious railway manufacturing unit at Kazipet in Telangana is nearing completion, marking a major milestone in India's railway infrastructure and manufacturing expansion. Developed at a project cost of 521.36 crore rupees, the state-of-the-art facility is now 95% complete, with final works progressing rapidly across key operational zones, including the main shop, test shop, paint shop, administrative buildings, and internal railway infrastructure. NBCC India Limited has strengthened emergency healthcare services in rural Odisha by flagging off a new ambulance procured under its Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative. The initiative aims to enhance emergency medical response and transportation facilities for people living in rural areas, where timely access to healthcare services often remains a challenge. Goa Shipyard Limited has officially handed over ICGS Akshay, the fifth fast patrol vessel in a series of 8 vessels being built for the Indian Coast Guard. The vessel, identified as Yard 1273, has been indigenously designed and constructed by Goa Shipyard Limited as part of India's ongoing push for self-reliance in defense manufacturing under the Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India initiatives. NTPC Limited has declared the commercial operation of the second part capacity of 34.4 megawatts from its 176 megawatt solar PV project at Ramagundam in Telangana. The Ramagundam solar PV project forms part of NTPC's ongoing renewable energy expansion strategy aimed at strengthening its clean energy portfolio and supporting India's transition towards sustainable power generation. BEML Limited, at its 420th meeting held today, approved the results and declared the second interim dividend of ₹2.30 per equity share, 46%, and recommended a final dividend of 55 paise per equity share, 11%. Revenue from operations, 1,794 crore rupees, up 8.57% year-over-year, highest ever quarterly revenue. Total income, 1,803.70 crore rupees, EBITDA 281.33 crore rupees, profit before tax 244.82 crore rupees, net profit 179.32 crore rupees. Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited has delivered a stellar financial performance for the fourth quarter and full year ended March 31, 2026. Delivers highest ever quarterly turnover of 552.75 crore rupees, up 34.63% from 410.56 crore rupees in Q4 FY25. Profit before tax at 107.00 crore rupees, up 38.67% from 77.16 crore rupees. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited has signed 2 significant memorandums of understanding with the Technology Resource Communication and Service Centre, a Jamshedpur-based NGO, under its Corporate Social Responsibility Programme for FY 2026-27. Power Finance Corporation Limited has announced the successful transfer of Kurnool 4 REZ Power Transmission Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of PFC Consulting Limited, to Rezonia Limited, formerly known as Sterlite Grid 32 Limited. MCL has signed 3 MOUs worth 3.93 crore rupees with the Angul District Administration under its Corporate Social Responsibility initiatives. The projects are focused on community development, infrastructure enhancement, sanitation improvement, and livelihood generation in Angul district of Odisha.